Alright guys, I don't know if you figured it out, but I'm at the compound right now. This is my first time at the compound. I've heard about it, never been here. Maybe I heard about it 2 weeks ago or a week ago. Adam LZ put up a video, and then like a week before that, my coworker who's building his drift car was telling me about it, and we looked at some videos, and this place is pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's open. There's a lot of guys with 4x4s, and, or sorry, not 4x4s, side-by-sides, four-wheelers, and dirt bikes, so it's pretty nice out here. Alex is drifting, Chris is drifting, I think Sam is drifting. It's not every day you get to see shit like that, but yeah man, this is my first time. I really want to get into drifting. I might buy a car soon, who knows what the future holds, but yeah man, it's pretty sick out here. You got the drones going, like it's pretty nice man. So I'm gonna get some shots and hope you guys enjoy. Hey, you ready for this?
Kinda. I'm nervous more than anything. Don't be. Try to relax. I told you. Yeah.
I wish you the best of luck, Sam. What happened?
We broke a lot of things. Nah. Right now, apparently, my AC fan slash wiring slash clutch fan decided to hit everything, and everything's fucking broken now. So right now, I'm taping up the AC fan wiring. So no more AC, no more. It was actually a luxury. Kind of pissed about that, to be honest. But and also something I think my wheel is rubbing on my coilover right now on the driver's side.
Static life.
Oh yeah, low, and also the coilovers aren't the best. So, but I also dipped the wheel down when I was trying to drift. So yeah.
I mean, the AC looks like an easy fix. You just cut it, add some crimps, and call it a day.
Yeah, but that's just, I don't know if it's something else internally fucked up.
Damn. Did you have fun though?
It was fun until I felt binding and something rubbing, and like the inner wheel barrel is all chewed up.
The tire?
No, the wheel itself.
We're not done yet. We're gonna fix it, and he's gonna go back out. Hold that thing really fucking tight.
All right.
If that thing flies out and hits us, we're fucking off the track.
Oh. Oh shit. Oh!
We're not done yet. We're gonna fix it and he's gonna go back out. I already hit myself in the nuts too.
Oh my god, that was fucking sick.
We're not done yet. We're gonna fix it and he's gonna go back out.
Your tire's flat. It sounds like one of your tires are flat.
We're not done yet. We're gonna fix it and he's gonna go back out.
Bro, look at the blower on it.
Okay, I pull up high stuff. Every time I look at us, feel like I'm the only one. Only thing I care about is living life the best I could. Only wanna smoke and stay productive till the day's done. Pull up to my day ones, kicking shit like day one.
I like that 210
When I play the favorite song, she think we can get along. I ain't got no beef with bones, but I'd rather roll strong. She ain't tryna prolong, she can tell the flow along. Pull up to my block quick, I'm not in that shit. At first I told her no. And I don't give a fuck about the
Jesus
fucking
fucking
nigga
Christ.
shit. I'ma pull up, but I don't give a fuck if niggas know. So I'm 40 shaking, making grip.
Here we go.
Nice on, shorty in my
Bro, I'm scared.
We're barely moving.
That shit is fast. Oh, tired?
Yeah, I'm tired to beat it.
Tired. Yo,
Now we're low.
yo, this is sick.
Yeah, I want to put my new tires on because it wasn't even fast.
So let's go.
Okay, I pull up high stuff. Right in front to where the baby was. Every time I look at her, she feel like I'm the only one. Only thing I care about is living life the best I could. Only wanna smoke and stay productive till the day is done. Pull up to my day ones, kicking shit like day one. Then I play the favorite song, she think we can get along. I ain't got no beef with bones, but I'd rather roll strong. She ain't tryna prolong, she can tell the flow along. Pull up to my block quick, pop out then I dip. At first I told her no, but now I think I'll have a sip. Ever since I got my money right, I'm smiling like a kid. have a sip. Ever since I got my money right, I'm smiling like a bitch. I don't give a fuck about no sucker nigga shit. I'ma pull up screaming, okay, I'm fucking at his face. I show up through a vibe, boy, shake it, make it flip. Chicken bone, my song, swinging in my whip. It's all a squad to come from feet, I bet they want the deals.
Consensus of the day.
I am absolutely trash. But nah, if my car was a lot more set up, I'd probably be a lot more comfortable. But right now, the car is not set up for this at all. With little experience going into this, it's kind of tough. But right now, the only thing that took a hit was no AC fan now. Bumper's gone. The fan shroud is toast.
That's gone.
And right now, this coilover added a couple degrees more camber, so that's why I keep spinning out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, but those GTR brakes though.
Yeah, no, these GTR brakes.
These GTR brakes though. First day at the compound was lit. That's all I gotta say.